Hello, hello, hello. This is Brie Essentials, and welcome back. Happy New Year. This is my first video for the year, and I'm hoping to do better with getting things uploaded. I have tons of videos. I just need to get them uploaded and share them with you. But today, I want to share with you my December Simply Earth essential oil box. So this is the box that came, and this is, I believe, box number 24 for me. I guess, yeah, box 24, because I actually got a free shirt in here this time. But what normally comes with your monthly box is it looks like this, and it says Simply Earth on there. This is pretty much what comes. This is how it would normally come. Now this, for the month of December, I got it in this box, which is the bonus box plus my monthly box. And so that's why it's a bigger box. But the monthly box for December, let's see what we got. And I did some swaps, so you can log onto your account and you can swap out some of the essential oils and change them. I think it's like a $2 fee. If you don't need a particular one that they are putting in your package, you can swap it out for something else, and that's actually what I did. So we'll get everything out of the box. These are some stickers. These are recipe cards. It always comes with 4 full-size essential oil bottles. And I did swap this one out because I have lime, breathe easy. That was a swap. Frankincense is in here, as well as vanilla woods, and I have one of those. So those are all the essential oils that are in here. And also in this box is a felt mitten diffuser. There must be a recipe for that. There is an inhaler. So, and then earth and wood reed diffuser. So we'll be making our own little reed diffusers with this one. These boxes are very sturdy and durable, and so I usually keep them and do some other things with them after I take these other pieces out. But the boxes, if you want a good sturdy box, you could reuse this box. I usually cut the top off, and then I use the base. I have it like on my shelves to hold things, because it's a very good box, and it's sturdy. All right, so inside, a little bit more detail in here. So you get labels, and the labels are for the products that you're going to make, as well as for the essential oils, and it has dates on it. So you get all of that on your labels, and that's what I've done here. Take on their labels and put it on vanilla woods. It comes with it. So as you can see, pine and hoe wood has the label in here, and I did not need those essential oils because I have those already. So that's why the label is here. But it's good to have those labels because you can put them on some other things. Other item that we have in here, it always comes with recipe cards. I like this box, this subscription, because you're also learning while you're also making, and that's always a good thing. I joined back in October of 2021. So the recipes, it says a sneak peek. Oh, you get a sneak peek for this month, and that looks pretty exciting. So that will be on there. But a couple of the recipes, it says the night before Christmas. That's what the reed diffuser is for. And then on the back of that, it's got blog, recipe, Facebook group. There's an essential oil hero course where you can learn more. That's a great course to take. Then we have cozy mason jar air freshener is another recipe. Smitten mitten felt diffuser. So that's what that little mitten is for. And the recipes are very simple. Like for the smitten one, it says to take the smitten felt diffuser. You're going to put 5 drops on here, and then you can hang it in your car or anywhere. You can add, this one is adding pine, but you might not want to put pine essential oil on there. You might want to put something else. Isn't that cute? This is the little diffuser you can hang up. Winter Woods diffuser blend. This is an essential oil blend that you can put in your diffuser. So it tells you how to make that, and it also lets you know how to make a master batch, like a bigger blend of it. Christmas cheer. That's for the inhaler. So you can aromatherapy inhaler. And this is enjoy breathing, easy breathing with that one. And then the last one is Cinnamon Pinewood Roll-On. So you'll make a roller bottle blend for this one. So these are the recipes that we got. And then it's got another handout, diffusing 0 to hero, and it introduces you to the rediffuser is in this box. And then we have some other information here. And I'll tell you about that. You can get 50% off, and I'll give you the code, and you also earn some rewards and things. So that's also in here, and it says give a $50 voucher. All right, so. And then when I get ready to make some of these things, I'll come back and also share. Now the bonus box. You get a bonus box when you first sign up, and then you get a bonus box every 6 months. So that's why I think I got this box. So in the bonus box, other part of my order, they also have other ingredients and supplies. So I got some Nature Sorb bath powder. I did order some of that to go in my box. And then this is the bonus box. This is how that comes. And in the bonus box, you get beeswax, 2 ounces of beeswax. Get a 4-ounce bottle of sweet almond oil. You get a 4-ounce bottle of fractionated coconut oil. You get 12 ounces of coconut oil. This is solid. This one is refined. I particularly like to use unrefined, but this one just means that it doesn't have a smell. I like to smell my coconut oil. And then the rest of this are, you got roller bottle. Get it out. You get 5mm roller bottles. There are 6 of them, and then 6. Ooh, that's so tight. It's 5mm for when you make your own little blends and do things. Those are in here. And it's good to have these. These bottles are not cheap. I think they're like 99 cents each. And even when you go and purchase them on Amazon or in other places, it's quite expensive. So this is the rolling. That lid wasn't on there. This is the roller bottle. It's got a steel roller. These are really, really nice. So there are 6 of those in here. I'm going to put everything in this one box. So as I start putting up the stock and inventory, I've already logged it into my database system. I use Soap Maker plus 30. But just the items that were in the bonus box. I'll make sure I cover everything. That's over $40 worth of items for you to use, and you get the smaller box each month with at least 4 essential oils in there, recipe cards. Depending on what you're making in the box from the recipes, the containers will also be in there for you as well. And the theme for this box was holiday magic, so that's why you see some of the Christmas items and then the Christmas kind of scents. And you can always have a holiday. You don't just have to have it for Christmas or New Year's or anything. There's holidays all the time. So just keep that theme going, magic. To get the $50 voucher, you can use my code, and then I'll also put that information in the post below. And my code is Sabrina S at 506. The boxes start at $39 a box. The shipping is free. You can stop, cancel, pause at any time. These are 100% pure essential oils. I switched to mainly using these as I am running out of inventory on my doTERRA essential oils, and these are a little bit more cost affordable as well, and they're pure. They're 100% pure. What else do I want to tell you? I think that's it. Oh, if you go to their website too with the Facebook group, you can learn other recipes and things. And then on their website, there's the blog, and there's a free ebook for you to further learn. And the courses, of course, are just amazing. You have to do some of those. But I've got my own. I've been using bottles to make my own blends. This is my enchanted blend that I have in here. So just come handy. Oh, and then the last thing, since this is, you get free things at different times. This is my free shirt. And it's green. I'm excited about that. Wow, that's extra large. Maybe I should have gotten a large. But yeah, this is an extra large, guys. Must run big. Yeah. 95% cotton, 5% polyester. But I love it. It says earthy, simply earth. I love this t-shirt. I'll wear it. Next time I'll know when it's time for me to get another t-shirt, just to get a large instead of extra large. Nice shirt. Very nice. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share. I greatly appreciate it. Please visit my website, breeessentials.com. We are still running a promotion special until I think January the 15th. Oh, not that one. Yes, new resolutions or goals, no sweat. We are running a promotion. Get 15% off. Use code JAN, JAN 25 at checkout. And it's valid until January the 15th for you to get 15% off of your order to get refreshed. This was talking about deodorant, car freshies, body powders. Get yourself refreshed. So go check out Brie Essentials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.